Hi, in front of me is WIKO Y60 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, you need to tap on Settings and scroll all the way down. Then go into System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here you need to tap on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Then you can select a photo by clicking on the chosen one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done, and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. When you're done, click Apply. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!